Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Pasta salad, that's what's on the docket for today. My friend Leanne from Sundays with Heart is hosting a summer pasta 2021 challenge. And I thought, why not? But I didn't want to make just any pasta salad. You know, the kind that you get when you go to a cookout, barbecue, etc. I wanted to do something a little different. So today we're doing a curried pasta salad. First thing we want to do is get some pasta going. I'm using 8 ounces of cavatelli pasta. Since this is a curried pasta salad, we're obviously using curry powder. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and over medium heat in a saucepan, I'm just going to toast it for about 1 minute. This is going to bring out the flavors. Our curry is smelling really fragrant. So now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil. I guess you could use any oil that you want. The recipe that I'm using called for peanut oil, but I don't use peanut oil, nor do I have peanut oil. So I'm just going to use avocado oil. We'll see what happens. I've waited until our pasta salad is cool to put it in a bowl, and to this I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk, and we're just going to stir this about. Then we're going to put this to the side. In a small bowl, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sour cream. The recipe calls for mayonnaise, and I didn't have any on hand, so I'm substituting with sour cream. So we'll see how that goes. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of chutney. This is a ginger chutney that I'm using. And we're gonna mix this all together. In goes our curry oil. This is so fragrant. I love anything curry. We'll whisk this all around so everything gets nice and incorporated. Now I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, and we'll whisk until it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna season this with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Now I'm gonna add our dressing to our pasta. Now there might be some little chunks in here. That's because there's some raisins and mango. Oh, I forgot, this is a mango ginger chutney. Silly me. And to this, I'm also adding broccoli slaw. So this is shredded broccoli and carrots. Very healthy. You want about 10 ounces. This is a 12-ounce bag, so I'm going to leave a little bit out, as well as a 1/2 cup of scallions. Let's mix this all up. Another thing I almost forgot. This also would be really great with cilantro. So I'm just going to rough cut some cilantro and put it in here for some extra flavor. I think it'll just bring everything together so nicely. I know that there are some non-cilantro lovers out there, and I totally get that. Add parsley if you don't like cilantro. I know some people get that, feel like it tastes soapy. There we go. All right, cilantro added. All right, let's taste test. I know I changed up a few things. You know what? I am not missing the peanut oil at all. Remember, I substituted avocado oil. And boy, does this have a kick to it from all that curry powder that we added. And the scallions as well. I also substituted, if you remember, sour cream for mayonnaise. Don't think that that made a big difference either. Well, this is definitely a different type of pasta salad, and I'm really happy that I made it, and I'm also happy that you came along with me as we made this pasta salad. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description below, along with a link to Leanne's channel, Sundays with Heart, so you can check out her channel. Well, thanks again for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.